Hi guys, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. I got another Wantable box. Now, you're probably wondering, do you need another Wantable box? No, but guys, they sent me a deal. So I had to do it. So what the deal was is I paid, my styling fee was $20, and then I get $25 off as well. So they gave me 25 bucks. They sold me. So I am sitting down here because I got crazy pajama bottom pants on. So I'm going to go try the clothes on. So you guys are going to still be able to see the clothes. But I'm sitting down right now. So this box, I've got a little bad little cat down here right now. So this is their Festival Frontier. I will say I'm a little worried. Here it is. I haven't actually gotten into it yet. But I will say they've been doing really great lately, but they've also been sending me things off my string that have had absolutely nothing to do with the theme of the box. So I'm curious, is today's box going to match the theme? We'll see. Okay. So I'm going to set my little bag aside here. All right. The first... Again, I'm going to keep positive thoughts. So the first item is a tank top. So, is Wantable going backwards and giving me sleeveless? Because that was the big thing I didn't like. You guys, remember? I gotta have sleeves. So we're going to be positive. We're going to, we are going to think that maybe there is a top or a blouse in here that goes over it. So I'm going to do prices. If there's a price on them, I'm going to go ahead for time's sake and tell you what the price is. This brand is it Habitual? This tank is $79. Now, I will say it is very good quality. It is a heavier weight. It is a very pretty tank. I will say that. Is it $79 tank? No. No. Okay, next is a shirt from 78 and Sunny. The sleeves we are going to have to see because here's the sleeves. But you see how it's more wider? So we're going to have to see. This shirt feels familiar or seems familiar. On the sides, it is kind of cut here and they're kind of separated. So I'm going to try it on. We are going to see. I don't know. It's really going to be dependent upon the sleeves. Oh, and do we have a price? $64. It's kind of pricey for just that, don't you think? You kind of have to go online because I've just assumed this 78 and Sunny must be one of their brands because it's always in here. Maybe it's not. I don't know. Okay, so next is also a 78 and Sunny top. It is a white top with tiny sleeves. So I will say that everybody kind of needs just a nice under a shirt white top. I am going to try this on because I do have the shirt that I got in the Jilly box that could use a top underneath. Oh, let's do the price. And this would work, but let's check the price out because I don't need a pricey one to go underneath it. $54. I don't need a $54 one like this. Now, I will say would I spend $54 for a plain shirt to go under like a suit jacket or something like that for work? Yeah. Not just the everyday. Moving on. Another sunny 78 and sunny t-shirt. Wild and Free. I've seen this advertised with them. Sleeves we'll try on. I don't know. But the price is $59. You guys, that's so much. And now we've came into things that I think came off my stream. Because it's a sweater. Which I gotta find that funny. And I like it. So this is Gentle Fawn. It is $84. So it's a small sweater. Oh shoot, oh, things are getting caught. Okay, so it's a short sweater with these types of sleeves. On the back, I like that it's got this seam. I like it. I'm going to try it on. But I've got a lot of sweaters. Okay, next. What is this? I hope this isn't what I think it is, because if it is, every single time I see one of these on my stream, I'm like, decline, decline, decline. Is it a cardigan? It's a cardigan. All right. So it's a cardigan. It is by 78 and Sunny. It is $74. Now, with this being said, are cardigans coming back in style? That's what I want to know. Are they coming back in style? Because when I wore cardigans before, it was because I was overweight and I wore them to hide things. Do I want to wear a cardigan now? Not really. Were cardigans sometimes comfortable? Yeah. But yeah. Okay, so I will try it on. So it's like an olive green kind of colored cardigan. It's got the long arms. So I'll try it on. We will see. Next, I'm loving them. Shorts, by Kenzie Jeans. And they're $58, and I absolutely love the color, you guys. Love them. Love. I'm gonna try these on. And, excuse me, 2 more items in here. We also have a pair of shorts by Democracy. Didn't I just send back a pair of shorts from Democracy? And it's funny they sent them to me again because I was kind of like on the fence. I didn't want to send the last ones back, and I did. I want to say the last ones, though, they weren't rolled up. I don't know. But okay, shorts by Democracy, $68. On the back, they got that cute little cross right there. And last but not least, a pair of jeans. Okay, so these are by 78 and Sunny. These might be, are they girlfriend jeans? No, mid-rise cuffed slim straight leg jeans, $89. So nothing fancy, but I'll try them on. So they've got that little distressing there, a little distressing there, and the cuff there. I keep saying this, I do need some jeans, but again, I've been holding off buying them, but I don't know, we'll try them on. So I'm going to go try me some clothes on. I am going to move over to a different room, and I'll see you again here in just 1 second. Hey everyone, this is so funny. I just did a whole thing and I wasn't even taping. So here I am again. All right, so what do I have on? I've got the Democracy jean shorts on. I've got the Wild and Free t-shirt. I like the shorts, but I don't think I'm gonna keep them because For this price point, if I was going to keep jean shorts, I would have kept the other ones. So the shorts are probably going to go back. The t-shirt's definitely going back. The sleeves need to be a little bit more longer just for my personal comfort. I also probably would have wanted one bigger size in the t-shirt. It's a little bit more tight around the back than I'm comfortable with. So here we go. So here's the t-shirt. Here's the shorts. I gotta get on my tippy toes, you guys, to see them. So on my tippy toes. So that is the Wild and Free. So let me switch over to another outfit. Okay, so I just swapped and went to a different shirt. So this is this baggy shirt. Kind of like the baggy shirt. Now the arms are right on the cuff of what my comfort zone is. But this is something maybe I would just push myself to, if I kept them, just to be comfortable with. But I mean, it is just a baggy shirt. But it's a baggy shirt that's very comfortable, you guys. So remember, I already paid the styling fee. So I paid 20 bucks styling. I got $25 off. So I'm keeping something in the box. So t-shirt, baggy shirt, I don't know. It's a maybe. So I switch on to something else. So I've got the same shorts on. I put the white t-shirt on and I put the cardigan. Now I will say, I like the white t-shirt. And I kind of like the white, and I kind of like the cardigan. It's like a messy look, if that makes sense. And I think that's what they were going for. It is just a messy comfort style. But the cardigan is longer than these jean shorts. And I will say, I wouldn't want the cardigan like with jeans, but let me just show you. So maybe it's okay. Maybe it's okay if the cardigan is like as long as the jeans. Maybe that's okay. I don't know. You guys tell me. But I think I kind of just like the comfort bagginess kind of it. I don't know. All right. So I am now going to switch shorts and try the sweater. The tank I'm not going to try on just because, I mean, I wouldn't keep that. The jeans I'm not going to try on only because I don't need them right now. I need some jeans, but I don't need them right now. So the jeans I'm not going to try on right now. But I am going to try on the other shorts and the sweater. One sec. Okay, so I have got the Kinsey shorts on, the blue sweater. You'll be happy to know I don't like the sweater. But I love the Kinsey shorts. So let me get, goodness gracious, back here. So I love these shorts. They're very cute. And what were these shorts again? 58. So I'm definitely going to be keeping the Kinsey shorts. Now I will say I might be getting a size smaller just because I can pull them off me. So I think I'm going to get a different size in the Kinsey shorts. So let me just look at the prices of like what I like, what would it cost, what am I going to keep, and I will be right back. Okay, so same day, just put a different shirt on. So what have I decided with the items? So I did run the numbers, and with Wantable, if you keep 5 items, you get 20% off. And sometimes that matters, sometimes it doesn't matter. In this case, it did matter. And my hat just keeps looking weird. So let's keep a couple things in mind. One, I get to take my styling fee off. 2, they were also giving me a discount of $25. So right there is a discount. Okay. The cardigan, it was $74. It was on sale for $55.50. Okay. So the things right off the bat that I wanted to keep, I wanted to keep the baggy shirt that looked kind of like, they're calling the color Lagoon. So I wanted to keep that. I wanted to keep the Kinsey shorts. I wanted to keep the white shirt. And then I wanted to keep the cardigan. See you guys, see how I change after I've tried clothes on. So those 4 items, after you take my discount off, came to $186 before tax. So for those items. So white shirt, green cardigan, a lagoon colored t-shirt, and a pair of shorts. Now, where I was on the fence with is if I add one more item, I get 20% off everything. So that took me to the jeans or the jean shorts. The jeans were $89. The jean shorts were only $68. So I ran the numbers. If I add the jean shorts, take my discounts, take the 20% off, then I'm going from $186 for 4 items to $194 for 5. So then those shorts are only costing me $8. That's what I decided. So I decided to keep 2 things that I didn't even think I was going to like. 1 thing that I said I didn't even need. That's just how it goes. So yeah, that's where we're at. So I'm going to be keeping the 5 items for $194. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this. I think I do have a discount code that I will put in the comments, and I'll pin it. I believe it's the same. So like if I refer you, you get a percentage off. I think it's what it is. And I get a percentage off, something like that. But it's also one of those that as soon as you do it yourself, then you get a discount code. So it's not like I have any relation with the company. Not that at all. But if I can save you some money, I'm going to save you some money. So I will put that in there. So again, this was my Festival Frontier box, and I'm happy. So hope you guys are getting along well, and we'll see each other again later. Bye, everyone.